Today, digital public goods have shown the potential and capacity for societal transformation and economic growth. In India, over the last 15 years, DPGs like Aadhaar, UPI, Diksha, and many other societal scale digital platforms have made a material impact on the lives of over 1 billion people. This success in DPGs has now been recognized worldwide, and many countries want to implement DPGs along the lines that have been done here. To this point, the Center for Open Societal Systems, to achieve the objective of globalizing the adoption of DPGs, the Center for Open Societal Systems has been set up at IIITP Bangalore with Ekstep Foundation. The idea is that all these DPGs can be taken globally. There's an ambitious plan to implement DPGs along with digital public infrastructure in 50 countries in 5 years, and costs will play an important role in that. Already, countries like Morocco, Brazil, and Papua New Guinea are leveraging costs to accelerate the adoption of DPGs. COSS is also setting up the capability of taking the learning of language translation and taking it to the world using AI. There are many other parts of the ecosystem that will be driven by costs, and I believe this approach of leveraging what we have learned and applying it globally will make a big difference, and with the ambitious plan of costs to reach an additional 1 billion people, I think is very commendable, and we should give it all support.